be golden! Here's how I made Rumi's messenger bird from K-Pop Demon Hunters with a 3D pen. Did you know that this magpie's name is Sussie, and her appearance in the film references the traditional Korean folk art of kachi horangi? I didn't know that either! Before we start, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, so we know you want to see more awesome, easy-to-make 3D pen creations. Okay, let's start with the head shape. And we want to create two of the same head shape, which we will join together right now. Same thing with the beak. Just take both shapes and draw in 3D. For the head, I added an extra shape to easier join the two big head pieces. But the same concept applies. Just join the shapes and create a hollow body. Fill in the gaps to create a hollow frame for Sussie. Next, the hat. First, I created the brim of the hat. Then, I drew a long rectangle that I folded into a tube, which will be the hat part of the hat. I created a smaller circle for the top of the hat and joined all the pieces together. Let's put the whole head together by attaching the hat and the beak with black filament. Attach at the parts where they join naturally, and add some more filament on the edges to secure them together. Now attach the hat to the head with black filament. Next, the feet and the tail. Just trace the tail and create claws for the feet. 3D pen a couple of sticks for the legs and join them together with filament. Okay, next, the rest of the body. I'm using pink here instead of gray, but please feel free to explore any color options you wish. Or, if you want to be more movie accurate, stick with gray. Same concept here. Create the two sides of the body, and I will join them together by drawing in the gaps to create a 3D shape. Next, I will join all of the parts together with filament. Here is where you will see your magic demon messenger bird take shape. Perfect! Fill in all the gaps, attach the feet and the tail, and the head. "3D pen the details onto the body now. And now the eyes. For this 6-eyed bird, draw 6 yellow circles and attach them to the head. Now, you can 3D pen some black filament on to create the expressive eyes, but you can also draw them on with Sharpie. It's easier and more precise to get the eyes just right. This magpie is now ready to send messages to Rumi from the Saja boys. If you want to see more 3D pen videos, like and subscribe. That shows us you want to see us create more easy-to-make and follow 3D pen masterpieces. Now let's go hunt some demons with Huntrix and seal the Honmoon. Thank you for watching. Bye!